Is it time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NVIDIA. Our initial report was published on our website on the first Monday of December in the year 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 25th, 2024, our system has classified NVIDIA as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.18. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our predictions, achieving a gain of 1.92%. This results in an average return of 0.38% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $136.57 is breached, it could indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase and serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 32.39% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 30.43% to 51.60%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 162.21% over the next year, with potential returns between 138.3% and 193.20%. This translates to a price range of $329.98 to $406.46 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NVIDIA includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for NVIDIA. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, the NVIDIA stock price experienced a gain of 0.275%, rising from $138.25 to $138.63. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.90% with a low of $137.83 and a high of $140.45. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a loss of 2.36%. Notably, trading volume increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 17 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 158 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $21.94 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $152.89, while the lowest was $45.01. Currently, the price stands at 9.33% or $14.26, below the 52-week high of $152.89, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. In recent news, NVIDIA's stock has faced challenges, particularly highlighted by an investor's significant loss of $270,000 after holding 11,000 shares. Nevertheless, the prevailing sentiment suggests a potential rebound for the stock, especially as the supply chain issues that have affected the semiconductor sector seem to be easing. Analysts recommend that now might be an opportune moment to invest in semiconductor stocks, as NVIDIA's promising technical setup appears to be developing. Looking ahead, NVIDIA is expected to experience considerable growth, driven by its Blackwell AI chips, which are being hailed as transformative for the market. The company outperformed revenue expectations in the third quarter by $2 billion and anticipates revenues to exceed $50 billion in the upcoming year, fueled by steady growth rates. However, a slight contraction in profit margins is anticipated for the next quarter, which could impact short-term price performance. Furthermore, NVIDIA plans to increase the production of its innovative liquid-cooled graphics processing units, re-engineering data centers, and strengthening its position within the AI infrastructure market. The company is also making strategic investments in AI tools, notably through a significant stake in Nebius Group, which recently secured $700 million in funding. While the competitive landscape is becoming more intense with investments from major players like Jeff Bezos and Samsung into rival companies, NVIDIA's continuous innovations and strategic investments position it well for long-term growth. Overall, the blend of robust revenue forecasts, groundbreaking technology, and market adjustments could enhance NVIDIA's stock performance both in the short and long term, despite any short-term fluctuations. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned NVDA an outperform rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Craig-Hallum rated NVDA as a buy with a hold recommendation. Also on that day, Wedbush provided NVDA with an outperform rating and a hold recommendation. Moreover, Cowen & Company rated NVDA as a buy with a hold action on that date. Lastly, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold recommendation on the same day. Analysts have assigned NVIDIA stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated this stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for NVIDIA. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative indicators that could impact short-term developments. The NVIDIA stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages. Specifically, the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $139.11 and $140.91. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 6.88%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. In addition, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 42 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.60 and $116.91. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, NVIDIA finds support just below today's level at $131.60. If this support is broken, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $116.91 and $108. This stock demonstrates average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.63 between its high and low, or 1.90%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.85%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for NVIDIA, let's quickly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2026 is anticipated on the 19th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 83 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $139.56. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA encounters its first support level at $131.60. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NVIDIA from various analyst sources remains neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of November, 2024, Dabiri John executed an insider sale of 716 shares of common stock. On the 7th of November, 2024, Ochoa Ellen made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 9th of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A sold 155,000 shares of common stock in an insider transaction. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A sold 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Stevens Mark A sold 40,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.5. In total, insiders acquired 48,359 shares while selling 5,813,866 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? The NVIDIA stock presents several concerning signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that NVIDIA will likely perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this stock remains negative. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, we expect NVIDIA to open at approximately 33.8 cents and begin trading at $138.97. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.